Top story, the case of a former Filer elementary school teacher charged with rape ended in a mistrial today. Hometown reporter Derek Kay was in the courtroom to find out what happened and where do we go from here.
What we need to convince you of is that the crime happened.
That was Twin Falls County Prosecutor Suzanne Ehlers' final message to the jury as they prepared to deliberate on the rape trial of Jacob Mistrial, a deliberation that will ultimately end with a hung jury.
There's a split with the jury and that you at this point can't come to an agreement.
Mistrial was arrested last year, accused of molesting and raping a relative back in 2012 when she was in high school. The victim testified before the jury on Tuesday.
Emily told you how he came to the shower and pushed her into the back of the shower against the wall, held her there. She said she tried to move out of the way, but he pinned her to the wall with his body. According to Ehlers, Mistrial also sent the victim letters with inappropriate messages for a year while the victim was on an LDS church mission. And in letter 3, he says, "I'm really missing you right now. Please write back. You're so busy and away having adventures all day that you don't have time to think about us very much."
Mistrial's attorney, Michael Danielson, urged the jurors to question why the rape accusation didn't surface for 12 years. Danielson also stated that the letters Mistrial sent to the victim were the only physical evidence the prosecution had.
The letters don't mention rape. They don't mention sex. They don't prove that my client raped anyone. It doesn't make sense that when Emily reported what had happened to law enforcement, she totally left the rape out.
Danielson also argued that there was no rape kit, no photographs, or records of a physical exam of the victim.
My job is to ensure that my client is tried here based on evidence, not based on speculation, emotions, or feelings.
The jury told the judge that any further deliberation would be fruitless, leading to the mistrial. Mistrial now has a scheduled status conference hearing on August 25th. Derek Kay, KMBT News.
Now,